Well, if you're looking for a great venue for your wedding, nothing could be better than Station 67. This is an historic building with a lot of character. We had an opportunity to talk to Destiny Walters, and she told us about some of the packages that are available and why this should be your venue for your wedding day. Well, Destiny, welcome down to Columbus. Good to have you in Station 67 on the show.
Nice to meet you.
You know, walking into this, the history in this building is just amazing. So that's one of the things that's really great. So why don't you tell us what really makes this a great venue for weddings?
All right. Well, Station 67 is located in the heart of Columbus, downtown. It is a historical building. It was originally built in 1895 as a train station. So it has the history and historical part of the venue, which makes it really neat for every bride and groom.
So, Destiny, what do you offer a couple when they come in to look at the venue?
Well, we have many different locations, which is awesome for ceremony and reception. Our atrium features high arched ceilings, which can be seated for 175 seated for ceremony or 225 if you choose to get married on the balcony. The garden space overlooks the new Vets Memorial and the Levesque Tower with a perfect downtown view. We also have the more modern spot. It's called the main hall. It features our seating for dinner, a bar, and where we would have our catering ready for dinner.
Well, I imagine you have some great packages for the wedding couples here, right?
Yes, so Station 67 has a variety of different packages that we offer. Our main package is pricing for ceremony and reception, which is a 9-hour block. It includes setup, teardown, and an enjoyable reception. We take pride in working with the client to create the perfect wedding and perfect event, whether it be a corporate event, wedding, or social.
So, Destiny, who is the exclusive caterer for Station 67?
Simply Delicious by Hallmark is the exclusive caterer for Station 67, which is the Columbus Fire Department's Union Hall.
And we have a look at some of your appetizers, right?
Yeah, we do. Our chef put together an amazing platter. These are some of our fancy hors d'oeuvres that we offer. With one of our packages, we offer to butler the hors d'oeuvres, which you see here.
Well, give us some contact information so people can find you, Destiny, and get hooked up for some a great wedding day.
All right, perfect. Our good phone number to reach me at is 614-564-9530.
You got a website, right?
Yes, I do. It's www.mysimplydelicious.com.
Fantastic. Destiny, great venue. Thanks so much for having us out.
It's nice to meet you. Thank you.